In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit icons in GIMP, a tutorial that's perfect for beginners stepping into the world of graphic design. Now, if you're not familiar, GIMP is a free and powerful image editor that rivals many of the professional tools out there. Today, we'll be taking it step by step, making sure you come out the other side with a solid understanding of how to create your very own icons. Let's start by setting up a new canvas. In the GIMP interface, you want to go up to File and select New. A dialog box will pop up, and here is where you determine the size of your canvas. For icons, a standard size to start with is 5 by 5 from 12 pixels. This gives you a generous working space to design with detail. After typing in these dimensions, go ahead and hit OK, and you'll see your new blank canvas displayed prominently on the screen. Think of this as your blank slate, ready to be transformed with creativity. Next up, it's time to either draw your icon or import a design you've already created elsewhere. If you're drawing, look over to the toolbox on the left. You'll see tools like the pencil and paintbrush, which are perfect for creating those icon details. If you have a design ready and just need to fine-tune it, head over to File, choose Open, and navigate to wherever your design is saved on your computer. Settle it in, and you can adjust or embellish as needed. This is where you can let your creativity shine through. Think about colors, shapes, and any particular theme your icon should reflect. After you're happy with your design, the next crucial step is to ensure that your icon can be used in multiple sizes, as icons rarely stay at their initial size. Head over to the Image menu and select Scale Image. Here you can input various sizes, like 256, 148, and 64 pixels, on the longest side, depending on the requirements for where your icon will be used. Scaling down ensures that your icon maintains its quality and clarity, no matter the size it's displayed at. Remember, a crucial part of design work is ensuring consistency. Even at different scales, your icon should still be easily recognizable. Finally, we'll export your icon into a format that's usable outside of GIMP. Go to the File menu and select Export As. Here you'll find options like PNG and ICO. PNG is commonly used for web icons due to its clear, high-quality finish and support for transparency. ICO is often used for application icons. Choose your format, make any necessary adjustments in the export options, and click Export to save to your desired location. And there you have it. Congratulations! You've just created your own iconic design. By learning to create and edit icons, you've started building a critical skill in digital design, enhancing your portfolio and broadening your creative horizons. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you're feeling empowered to go and create amazing icons of your own.